app for every fashion designer. Now, most people do ask me how do they get styles or designs. So here, let us head on to our Play Store, right? So I'm using my Play Store to show you this app. So this is called Pinterest. Now, because I already have it, so I want to show you guys how to use it very well. Most people don't know how to use this lovely app. So you install it. If you don't have it, then once you install it, so because I already have it, that is why I am doing updating, right? So let this update, and then I will come back to show you guys how it's being used. So now it has finished updating. Then let's click on open. Now when you open, right, this will be the interface you will see. So you sign in your account, create your account. So these are my search or what I have made use of it for. So now to use this lovely app, all you need to do now is to click on this search icon, then type anything you want. So let's say men's senator style, right? So you give it the prompt, then you search. Now once you search, it comes out with different pictures. Now these pictures are the pictures that you will now go through to give your customers, to pick their styles. So if, for example, you want to open it, just click on the picture. It comes out in this form, right? So anyone you want to save, you click on these three dots here, right here. You click on download image, right? Image downloaded, as simple as that, right? Or better still, you can screenshot the screen, then you go through all of this, to have a glimpse of all of this. So any picture you open, it will give you similar pictures of similar design, or possibly the same designer, right? So this is how it goes all through. So let's assume that you have a picture that you want to search more on. Maybe someone gave you a picture, but the picture is not clear enough. So let me show you guys how to go about it. So you have to come to where you are seeing a camera lens, just right here. You click on it, then you click on your gallery, right? So let's just pick up a picture in my gallery and search. So let's just pick up this one here. Now it will scan through this picture. It will bring out similar pictures or exact pictures of that same design that might give you another view or perspective, right? And which will now give you more insight or a clearer view of how the design looks like or how the design is. So if you have gotten this is how Pinterest is being used, right? Looking for on Pinterest, both for children and for adults, anything female, male. So just give it a prompt. Let's search for female senator designs, right? Let's search for female senator designs. Just search for it. You see, it has come out. So anything you want to have, this will be a best shot app for you. Unlike Instagram and Facebook, that you need to start searching, going through people's gallery or profile before you get to it. So this will be an insight of anything you want to have on female clothing or female clothing. It is a gallery hub for every designer. Pinterest is just the best app to use, even though if this is not a paid app or advert, but I would still recommend it for anybody, right? Because it gives you room to have access to pictures anytime, any day. Okay, let's check for kids senator outfits, right? So you just have to, search it. You see, once you search it, it brings out all pictures that are of that size and range. Like I said, anyone you want to save, you click on the three dots here, and then you do download image. Image will be downloaded automatically to your phone. So anything at all you want to have, look at this beautiful. See how beautiful these children outfits are. So this is how you go about creating or having pictures of anything you want to have. Time has gone when people do buy magazines or catalog, you know, for styles. You now use your phone. So it is also an information that every designer should have a good Android phone that can run all of these apps and more. So even if you want to do female outfits, if you're a designer, maybe a female designer, let's say you're sewing for female, you can also make use of it, to search for female blouses, female two-piece. Okay, let's say female corsets blouses, right? Ladies, they do have this love for corsets. You see how it came out? So it's an all-around app for your pictures and styles. It gives you a clear picture of everything you are looking for. So Pinterest is a very big shot for everyone who wants to have pictures accessible at any time. So once you show your customer, he or she will now go through the pictures that you have brought out, and then you screenshot the one you want, or if you want, and then save them and then make do with it. So I have made this picture this style for my customer, and it was from Pinterest that I got the inspiration. Right, so I think I love this. Let me also save it. There are some of them that might not show here. So in such cases, what do? You screenshots, right? By holding your volume button, power key, volume down, power key. Very, very beautiful. So see the styles that we have here on Pinterest, right? So you hardly save videos, but you can forward them to WhatsApp and it will save. You make use of Pinterest. So if you derive knowledge from this video, kindly like, share, comment, and tell me where you're watching from. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Drop heart emojis if you want to be notified when I make or post new videos just like this. Thanks guys for watching. See you on the next episode. Bye bye for now.